There's always more we can do and grow and become more, but we must be willing to see where we are so we can improve where we are. Hey guys, Rafi here, Preferred Plumbing. So I got a new phone, and you know with iPhones you put the old one next to the new one and it kind of like transfers the information over. It's all cloud-based, and you have a new phone, a new external, you have a new look, perhaps some more, the phone has more software experience, it's a little more advanced, but it's the same, everything gets transferred, it's all the same stuff, which is really convenient. But it made me think about our lives. And maybe think about the way we approach things. And we wonder why there's certain things in our life we have challenges with, and certain things in our life that we struggle with where we keep on having the same result. And we tend to blame it on so many things. And he's doing this, and she's doing that, and this is doing that, and the market's doing this, and customers these days, and all these different things that we tell ourselves. And really, what's going on? And what's going on is simple. And until we're actually willing and ready to be vulnerable about why we do what we do, how we're showing up to things, and taking a minute to understand, what am I? Who am I? Why am I like this? Then we can never have that opportunity to rebuild, and we can never actually change anything. And if we don't change our action, because our actions are purely based on our emotional state, whether we're aware of it or not. If we don't change our actions, we don't change the approach, we're not going to have a different outcome. You have to be willing to change something. You have to be willing to accept new information. You have to be willing to be vulnerable and say, you know what, I don't know what to do. You know what, I'm not good at that. You know what, just because I've done something like this until now doesn't mean it's the way to continue doing something. And it's difficult. Change is scary. But that's where the beauty lies. That's where growth happens. Look at a butterfly. They're not born a butterfly. They have to get vulnerable. They're a caterpillar. Then they spin this yarn or web, or whatever it is, the cocoon they wrap themselves in, and they get really vulnerable and ugly. But then when you break down, you have an ability to regrow, and it can be more. And it's interesting, and this goes for everything. I'm finding that in my business now. There are things that I thought I knew what I was doing really well. And you know what? There's things that I learned. Thank God I have business coaches and a consulting firm that are helping me, but there's things that I need to understand and learn and grow from. Things in my relationship, things in my marital relationship, or relationship with my kids, the relationship I have with my employees, the way I communicate, the way I show up to things. There's always more we can do and grow and become more, but we must be willing to see where we are so we can improve where we are. And I'll leave you guys with that. God bless you guys.